So we've got a bit of a problem in the shower again. We've tried to repair this. This is the bottom slider. So I'm actually going to have to make one out of a bolt. So first of all, make it round.
You know this is hard work, don't you?
Is it? You're losing grip on your finger.
Yeah. Oh.
Nearly there. So I'll go try it.
So just don't go lose it in there.
Like my glasses.
Wasn't my fault you turned round quick. All I tried doing was stopping you from poking your eye out with the strut from the dinghy.
Good for that. Just need to cut it to length. Yeah, so
ready?
yeah. There we are.
Now can you get that bit out?
Yeah. Right, that's that bit done. So all we made is a round-headed bolt with a couple of flats on, and I'll glue that in position in the shower. So what we've done is just set the bolt into the end of the shower door. That piece will run in the track. What I have to do now is I'm just going to pack that with thickened epoxy just to hold it in place, and we'll have to let that set. And so there we go. I've just packed that with thickened epoxy. I've put a little bit of epoxy on the bottom of the bolt, so at least it's going to be, if it touches the aluminium at the base, it's going to be rubbing on the thickened epoxy rather than steel to aluminium. Just have to wait for that to set, and we can just clean it up a bit and drop it all back into the shower. Shh! It's bank holiday, Saturday. What a glorious day. So we better keep that quiet. First of all, slight change. I've not got any glasses on. Janet managed to whip a line, missed me, hit my glasses, and they've gone to the bottom of the Oggin. Gone forever. Yeah, well, I'm making do without and just wearing reading glasses, because that's really all I need. Anyway, today, bank holiday Saturday, plan is we're just going to have a tootle down the coast a little bit to Runswick Bay for the day. It's about 20 miles down the coast, and we'll anchor off in the bay. We're going with our friends from Spirit of Zen. They're just sat over there getting their day started. It's around about 9 o'clock. I think we're setting off around 10:30 today. So we're just passing Saltburn. There's Marsk by the sea there. We're just getting a little bit of cloud build-up coming, and the sea state's picked up slightly. The wind has. Nah, not a wind. A gentle breeze. Charlie's still behind us. We've just running round about 9 knots, so round about an hour to go. And so we've arrived in Runswick Bay. Beautiful spot.
Fly so high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind.
What a day. Blue skies, blue seas, and dead calm. The anchorage is superb, a little bit open to the east, but not a problem. We have got a sort of northeasterly breeze at the moment. Under normal circumstances you would say no, but this is a breeze. We're here for the day, we're not staying overnight. But it was a superb run down. We've got a swimmer! Don't chuck it to him yet. Don't hit him on head. Don't hit him on head with it. Don't hit him on head with it.
What? Hit him on the head with it? Let me down.
Come out onto... Yeah, please, yeah. Janet's just thinking about having a swim.
Forward.
And so that's it, we're on our way back to Hartlepool. Had a wonderful day down in Runswick. I don't think we could have had any better conditions. Well, it's not normal this is absolutely stunning out here. Absolutely smooth, not quite as glass, but my god, who says northeast coast cruising is for the toughies? This is beautiful.